Good morn! Another day, another mini vlog. Kamusta ang nagdaang linggo ninyo, guys? I hope you had a good week. As for me and my husband, we had a nice week. Thanks to the Lord. By the way, comment naman kayo kung saan kayo nakatira at sa nakakaabot ang videos na ito para lang aware din ako. And thank you for watching. And for me and my husband, bago kami makarating sa cabin, kailangan naming sumakay ng boat. Meron naman ding other option, pero mas malayo kasi yun pag nag-drive pa kami. Kaya naman ito na lang yung pinili namin. And for me to experience as well na mag-boat sa lake. Last time, nag-boat kami, but that was an ocean. Diba? Look at the view, guys. Very peaceful. At ang ganda ng view. Ay, husband ko pala yan. At guys, kailangan ko din mag-life vest just for the safety. Medyo malalim din kasi yung tubig sa middle side or middle part. Pero si Hubby, hindi na siya nag-life vest. At ine-enjoy ko lang yung view. Ganyan ba naman yung makikita mo? Wow! And the best part for me, guys, dito sa cabin, walang signal sa phone. Or meron man, pero mahirap siyang makuha. So, talagang masasolo ko si husband. At nasolo ko talaga siya. Quality time at its finest. At pagdating namin, guys, sa cabin, we had to go para kumuha ng water na iinumin sa balon. And before that, nakakita siya ng malt berries. Nakatikim na rin ba kayo niyan, guys? It's so good, pero mas masarap pa din yung raspberries and strawberries for me. Ito na nga yung water, guys. Malinis yan, coming from the deep part of this place. We also went swimming and picking up berries, blueberries, and malt. In the morning, si Hubby nagpa-apoy na siya para magluto ng breakfast namin before we go home. Hindi ko na na-video, guys, yung kagabi. Syempre, alam nyo na. Cherries. Pero I like, guys, yung together time namin dito. And I'm so thankful na merong ganitong time, just the two of us. We all know naman, guys, that tomorrow is not promised. So I suggest na palagi nating i-treasure yung mga moment na kasama natin yung mahal natin sa buhay. If it's your parents, your loved ones, o sino man na pamilya na mahal natin, iparamdam natin kung gaano natin sila kamahal. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Ha de bra!